Designers, developers, and contractors are looking for solutions that can help them decrease their building's carbon footprint, and that also store carbon. With our silver range, we have made it easy to make smart decisions because all of our wood products come packed with credible information on the product's environmental impacts. They are communicated in a document called an EPD, Environmental Product Declaration. You could compare it to the nutrition label that you see on food packaging, for example. EPDs communicate different inputs that go to the product manufacturing, like chemicals or energy used. And then they also quantify different outputs like waste or emissions created. There are more than 30 of these indicators, but the carbon footprint and the carbon storage are the most used ones. A lot of work goes into being able to publish an EPD because a life cycle assessment has to be done first. In that, all the different inputs going to the manufacturing are mapped and analyzed, and then communicated in the ready EPD. Unlike many peers, we actually have a full team of experts doing this daily. And it's really beneficial because then we have the know-how to utilize all the acquired information to our benefit internally. We can use it for product development or process improvement. We can, for example, spot areas in the production that burden the environment the most, and then take targeted actions to further decrease our operational carbon footprint. So this is nothing new to us. We've been doing life cycle assessment for about a decade now, and we published our first EPDs in 2017. And we have really improved as the years have gone by because our product carbon footprint has decreased significantly. Not just for us, but the EPDs are extremely useful for our customers because they need accurate and product-specific data to be able to compare different options. So what we see if we compare different structures, let's say a CLT wall and a concrete wall, we can see that there is a huge reduction in the CO2 footprint. And this is not yet taking into account the carbon that's been stored in the wood for the whole life cycle. 1 cubic meter of CLT stores about 750 kilograms of CO2. This is significant because it's about 14 times the emissions that are emitted when manufacturing 1 cube. So with wood, you can actually have your cake and eat it too, for 14 times. Though there are other benefits as well. Wood is lightweight yet strong, which means that it requires less transport on site and it builds faster. Wood is so light that it can be built on areas that would not be possible with the conventional materials. You could be building on a highway or on top of an existing building. And this way, we can help to extend the utility of already existing buildings and really take the most out of the limited space we have in our really dense urban cities nowadays. And it's circular. With our mixed-use building concept, we have already taken into account the fact that it's likely that building needs change over time. What is today an office could be a hotel tomorrow. When you use Silva, it's likely that the carbon storage will be there for decades, if not centuries.